Cleaning schedules. Schedules are put in place to protect you and the equipment with which you work. In this lesson, we will look at defining cleaning schedules and the importance of cleaning schedules. Let's kick off with defining cleaning schedules. Cleaning schedules are plans and lists showing intended dates and times when procedures and tasks need to be carried out. These procedures are carried out to maintain a consistently good standard of cleanliness. Now that we understand what a cleaning schedule is, let's take a look at the importance of cleaning schedules. Providing structure is very important to produce consistent results, especially when it comes to cleaning schedules. The cleanliness of an establishment is closely linked with guest comfort and contentment. This, in turn, promotes the success of your establishment. Because of this, you as a Hilton steward are one of the most valuable members of the establishment. Cleaning schedules should be provided for daily, weekly, and monthly cleaning, so that whoever is on duty that day knows their roles and responsibilities for cleaning. Providing cleaning schedules that need to be checked and signed off means that cleanliness is top-notch, because stewards and supervisors can be held accountable for everything that has happened on their shift, so every inch is squeaky clean. Sticking to a cleaning schedule promotes a proactive outlook in the work environment and maintains a high level of cleanliness. Well done on learning all about cleaning schedules and why they are so important in our daily lives.